Stop scrolling because these are the three must-have downloader codes for Android TV and Firestick users in 2026. And the final one is the code most people are searching for right now. If you enjoy discovering useful entertainment and multimedia apps on your devices, then this video is definitely for you. And make sure you watch until the end because in the next part of this video I'll share updated downloader codes for different categories so you can easily find the type of apps you are looking for. Before we begin, this video is for educational and informational purposes only and focuses on downloader app usage and device setup. Always follow your device guidelines and use apps responsibly. Now let's get started. First, make sure you already have the downloader app installed on your Android TV or Fire Stick device. Open Downloader and in the search bar, enter the first code 1014488. This code leads to a feature-packed entertainment platform with a clean layout and smooth user experience. Simply type the code, press go, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Now here comes the second code. And this one is very popular among Android TV and Fire Stick users right now. Enter code 2862421 into the downloader app. This app is widely used because of its simple interface and organized multimedia sections. Again press go and continue with the installation steps shown on your screen. But don't leave yet because the final downloader code is the most interesting one in today's video. Open Downloader once again and enter code 3877676. This app features regularly updated multimedia content with a smooth and easy to use interface that many users prefer in 2026. After installing any app, it's always a good idea to go back and remove the downloaded file so it doesn't take unnecessary storage space on your device. You can also move your favorite apps to the home screen for quicker access later. Now watch the entire list of downloader codes that I have prepared for you. And that's it for today's video. If you want more updated downloader codes, Android TV tutorials, Firestick tips, and smart device guides, make sure to subscribe to Electronic Secret, press the bell icon, and leave a comment below telling me which category of downloader codes you want to see next.